In this video, we will discuss mechanical interview questions. Good afternoon to all. Welcome to the second video of the channel Study Hacks. In this video, we will discuss some mechanical engineering questions that are asked in the interviews. So let us start. The question 3 is that which glass container will empty first? As you can see, we are given two glass containers, container 1 and container 2. These two glass containers have hole at the bottom, as you can all see. So we have to find that which container will empty first when it will be filled with liquid. And as it is given that these two containers have similar volume. So the answer to this question is that second container will empty first. Now we will see the explanation for this. We have taken the capital H as the height of the container and small a as the diameter of the lower part of the container and small b diameter of the upper part of the container. And at any particular time we have taken the height of the liquid as small h and the ah as the area of this hole. So we can, as you can see, that we can write diameter is equal to small a plus b minus a by h into small h. Now if we will put the value of small h as equal to 0, so the diameter will be equal to a. As you can see, when this h will be equal to 0, the diameter is a. And if we'll put the value of small h as capital H, then the diameter will be b, as you can all see. So we will equate the value of discharge, the discharge that is taking place by this hole, and the discharge or the rate of decrease in volume which is taking place in the container. So equating the volume flow rate through the hole, it is equal to velocity into area. So this is the velocity and the area of the hole is equal to pi by 4 d square into dh by dt. This dh by dt is the rate of decrease of the height. So this will give volume flow rate through the hole, and this whole thing will give a rate of decrease in the volume in the container. As we all know, v is equal to under root 2gh. So we will substitute the value of v as under root 2gh into ah is equal to pi by 4 a plus b minus a by h into small h whole square into dh by dt. Now we will take dt into this side, and this, as we all know, this h is in left side, we have to take this h also on the right side, and then we have to integrate. So here we have taken h on this right side and we have taken integration, and on integrating this dt will become t, and this h to the power minus half will become h to the power half into 2, and this h to the power 3 by 2 will become h to the power 5 by 2 into 2 by 5. This h to the power half will become h to the power 3 by 2 into 2 by 3. Then t will equal to this value. As we all know that a is greater than b, so this value will be negative. So we all know that this term is negative, so to make this term as positive we have taken the negative sign outside, and we have changed the uh, it was written as b minus a, and now we have written a minus b. So we have named this time as t1. T1 is the time for this vessel to be empty. Now for the second part, the second container, if hole is made in the second container, how much time it will take to be emptied. So d diameter is equal to b plus a minus b upon h into small h. Now when we will put the value of h equal to 0, it will be small b, and when we will put the value of h equal to capital H, it will be small a. It again substituting like the previous one, on integrating we will get the value of time as this. Now we have to compare these two time and find out which time is less, because we have to find out which container will empty first. So the time which will be less will be emptied first. Now we will compare the value of T1 and T2. The value of T1 is this, and the value of T2 is this. Now we are assuming that T1 is greater than T2. We have written the value of T1 and T2. These two terms will get cancelled out. On solving, we will get that 2 is greater than 4 by 3, which is always true. So the assumption that we have taken that T1 is greater than T2 is also true. So T1 is greater than T2, that is the time required for the second container to be emptied is less. So the second container will empty first. Question number 4 is, what is the relation between Carnot efficiency when we will increase the higher temperature or decrease the lower temperature? So as we all know that Carnot efficiency is equal to 1 minus TL by TH, where TL is equal to lower temperature and TH is equal to higher temperature. So there are two conditions are given, that when we will increase the higher temperature or we decrease the lower temperature. So condition 1 we have taken on increasing the higher temperature. So that efficiency will be equal to 1 minus TL by TH plus X. We have increased the higher temperature by the term X. On solving, we will get TH plus X minus TL upon TH plus X. The condition 2 that is given is on decreasing the lower temperature. Eta 2 is equal to 1 minus TL minus X upon TH. Here we have decreased the lower temperature by X. So TH minus TL plus X upon TH. On dividing eta 1 and eta 2, we will get these two terms will get cancelled and we will get TH upon TH plus X. As we all know that TH is smaller than TH plus X, so eta 1 is smaller than eta 2. So efficiency increases more on decreasing the lower temperature than on increasing the higher temperature. For more such videos, please like and subscribe Study Hacks channel on YouTube. Thank you.